Hello and welcome to another installment of Reynauld's Product Review. My name is Brett. I'm the videographer at Reynauld Jewelry Imports. I'm here today to talk a little bit about KM1 and the amazing products they have to offer. In the last few years, 1 gauge has been steadily making its comeback, mostly because of the German manufacturer KM1. KM1 has been supplying the market with incredible locomotives, tracks, turntables, and a variety of functional accessories. They have also induced a tremendous amount of technology into the model railroad market, inspiring many new customers. Here at Reynauld's, we are proud to offer our customers the exclusive line of products from KM1. KM1 locomotives have many impressive qualities. The models are exquisitely detailed, handmade, 1 gauge models produced in limited quantities. KM1 is known by collectors all over the globe for their patented innovations. They were the first 1 gauge manufacturer to offer realistic warm LED lighting, wheel-synchronized smoke and sound, independent cylinder steam, and their exclusive dynamic smoke system. In addition to all their advancements, they will now offer some of their models with a functional steam whistle. Let's take a look at a few of the latest models, the new BR01 Express locomotive and the BR75 tank. This concludes our presentation of the German manufacturer KM1. To purchase the products shown today, please visit our website, reynolds.com, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more great videos like this. Thank you for watching.